Browsing the marketplace for an engine and transmission. Just so happens a T56 popped up a few miles away. Couldn't let that stay for sale. Had to go get it. Definitely had to get it for only $500. I picked up that T56 for a good deal. Now I'm on my way to also get another T56 and an LS1 for a decent deal. I need them, so I'm gonna pay for them. Sold to me. Anymore. Got the LS1 home. And the T56. And the T56. Oh, we got something for the Tundra here. So that thing needs some attention. Tundra been good to me. Time to be good to it. Old rotors versus new. These weren't looking so good. All four of them like that. Now that does put a smile on my face. Got that MGW shifter for the F body. Says it right there. Pretty inside. Now if that ain't cool. This is an actual LS1. It's an aluminum 5.7. It was put together by Cleveland. According to the last owner, it started off as a bare block and built up. Though I don't know why somebody would want to go with some 241 heads when you can go with some 243s. I like that plate. I had one for my LS6 in the past. These don't actually fit the fast intake manifolds. And this engine and that transmission will be going in this car. And I may sell this engine and keep just one for the other RX-7. This car was reconstructed, so this engine going in that car is actually saving a clean title RX-7 from getting an LS engine.